Hello, welcome to You in the Making with Kjarlune. My name is Kjarlune, and I'm a coach and a therapist, and I've been Canada's top clairvoyant for 35 years. And I am here to share. That's what I'm here to do. I am going to talk about really touchy subjects and things nobody wants to talk about. I will be your online therapist. That's what I want to do. And I'm going to talk about real world stuff that is going on and how to heal your heart and heal your soul and heal your body and heal your mind. How to get you to understand and be aware that there is nothing you can't handle, and that if it's happening, it's because it's supposed to, even if you don't understand it. I'm here to show you how to get over yourself, how to get under your struggles, through your problems, how to live the life that you dream about, because you deserve to live it or you wouldn't dream about it. Doesn't matter what it is. It doesn't matter if it's a little cabin in the middle of the nowhere and you're cooking on a gas stove or a fire pit. Doesn't matter what life it is that you want, or you're traveling all over the world as the most famous actor in the world. It doesn't matter what you want. You wouldn't want it or desire it if it wasn't meant to happen. So I hope you enjoy this channel. I hope that you get just a little bit of the help that you might need in your life. And I hope that I do too, because that's why I'm here. I'm here to share it with you and to remind myself and my clients every day what matters and how it matters. So if you want to know about some stories, if you want to hear somebody try to make some sense out of things, if you want to hear regular communication, not, your left brain, your right brain, subconscious, unconscious, blah, 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 okay? If you just want to hear some real life helping hands, then join my channel and I'll talk to you really soon. Take care.